Tell you this, life never forgets how you treat people. When someone loves you, handle it gently. Love isn't common, at least true love. It is earned and easily lost through disrespect. Never disrespect the people who were there for you. The one who saw your struggles, the one who saw your pain, the one who listened to you when no one else would. The ones who encourage you when you felt daunted. The ones who bend backwards to make sure you are okay. The ones who go beyond and above just to make sure whatever you're doing is a success. Life has a way to repay. So be careful who you step on now because you think you're rich. Gratitude isn't optional, it is identity. Character speaks louder than